You're selling with Shopify. But tracking everything in Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new Shopify order comes in, Mesa adds it to your spreadsheet automatically. Or let Mesa update your Sheets inventory the moment stock changes. Or even use Google Sheets as your control panel for syncing product updates to Shopify, SaaS. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Shopify and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.